Bollywood celebrities and their Twitter interactions have become an interesting topic these days. Stars are becoming strict online and no nonsense policy is being followed. Stars also seem to enjoy pulling each other's leg in public, all in good faith. After Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan's adorable tweets on Eid, it is time for another interaction that is doing the rounds. Anushka Sharma recently tweeted that she will block all people on her Twitter who write nonsense and that she wants to keep her Twitter as positive as possible. To this, Amitabh Bachchan replied with a lot of plus signs and said, "Don't you dare block me after all this positives. Haha, love." To which Anushka said, "No way, not in a lifetime, sir." It was indeed a cute conversation with lots of positivity. For more Bollywood updates, like, share and subscribe to our channel.